Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forrest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna unbox and give you my first impressions on this cell phone. It's actually from a company called Nuu. It's their G3 Plus. But before I get into this unboxing, check this out. Okay everyone, so like I said in the beginning, I'm going to unbox this cell phone from a company called Nuu. I want to give them a shout out for actually sending this to me for review. It's my first review unit on the channel, hopefully more to come. But this is actually from their G3 Plus series. It comes in Onyx black. You can actually purchase this from their website for $229. Also on Amazon, which I will have links in the description. They also have the other model, which is just a G3. The only difference between both of them is the battery size. This one comes with a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. The G3 comes with a 3,000 milliamp hour battery. Let's get into it. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing, show y'all what's in the box, pause the video, go use the phone for a couple hours, come back, give you my first impressions on it. I'm definitely gonna put it to the test, show y'all the speakers, the gaming review that I normally do, also do a camera test, camera video. Y'all know how I like to do it. Alright, so let's get into it. Nice little presentation from Nuu. Bam, right there. It does have some of the specs, which we will go over. Little NuuMobile.com is where you want to follow them at. Let's take my lucky unboxing knife. Let's see what you get in the box. Put that on the side. Alright, so you just pull this out, it looks like. Slow roll. Alright, so we're just going to open this up. If it wants to open. Oh, slow. Alright, so you greet it with the phone straight off the back. Let's see. Bam. G3 Plus. Get into the specs. See what else you get. A little thank you card. Some new stickers. I'm going to troll people with that. Maybe my kids with their Apple iPhones. See what else you get in here. Books. We don't really care. Now, this is one thing that these other OEMs need to learn is give us a case straight off the box. Look at that. Yes, it's a TPU, not much protection case, but definitely it's in there. It will protect your back from getting scratches until you can get a better case. If you wanted one, here is a quick charger, I believe. Yes, here's a quick charging brick. Then you have a dongle, because this one does not have a headphone, but they put a dongle in the box. Let's see what you get up here. And here is the USB Type-C cable. So I'm going to put this back in the box. All right, so let's get into the phone. Look at the phone itself. I'm going to try to power this on. But let's talk about the specs. So it has a 5.7-inch 18:9 ratio. The screen resolution is 1440 by 720. It has 4G LTE. It comes with a MediaTek processor, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage. It has fingerprint ID on there. It has a 13 and a 5 megapixel rear camera. And then also in the front, it has a 13 megapixel camera. So that's actually pretty cool. Let's take this off. Take off the back. Tells you how to install this. Look at, oh, $229, y'all. Look at that. Man, that is nice. But let's go over the phone really quick. So you have your volume rockers here. You have your power button. At the bottom, you have your charging port. One's a microphone, one's a speaker. Doesn't have dual speakers. On the left-hand side, you have nothing. At the top, you have your SIM card slot. On the back, here's your fingerprint scanner with the 13 and 5 megapixel camera. Just look at the shimmer on this thing. All right, and you have the 13 megapixel camera in the front with the earpiece. It looks like also maybe a flash or a notification like at the top. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is actually pause the video, put my information in here, go use the phone for a couple hours, take some pictures with it, come back, give you my first impressions about it. That way we can definitely see if we like it on our first impressions. But again, look at this. This is a beautiful looking device. So stay tuned. Peace. I'll be right back. Okay everyone, so I'm back. I've been using the phone for a few hours. So I'm gonna give you my first impressions of the phone, but also discuss a couple things I didn't discuss in the earlier part of the video. Yes, it is running Android 8.0 straight out the box. The cameras can only shoot in 1080p, 30 frames per second. Doesn't have 60 frames and no 4K. I wish the cameras would shoot in 4K, but you know, on this phone it does not. Is it a deal breaker? No. Also, hopefully they can update the phone to Android Pie in a few months. I know the new phone that's coming out from them, the Nuu G3, will have Android Pie straight out the box. So hopefully they update this one to Android Pie also. I just wanted to discuss the display on here. Look at the color. It's really good for a 720p display. Have no problems with the display so far. Also, this thing runs smooth. It is, man. I know what you're going to say. You're going to say, Joseph, you only been using the phone for a little bit. But I can tell you so far, I have no hiccups, no stutters, no forced shutdowns. So far, it's been really good on that. The next thing I want to talk about is the cameras on this phone. I took some photos earlier. I'm going to go shoot some more video today. Stay tuned to the channel. I'm going to have a camera test coming out. I want to test how good or bad these cameras are. Let y'all see it. Let y'all make up your own opinions about it. So stay tuned. That's coming to the channel really soon. The next thing I want to talk about is just the overall build of this phone. Man, look at that. It looks beautiful. Look, man. I mean, that's just great looking. If I brought this out and showed people, they probably would guess saying that this phone would cost probably $400 or $500, not $199 for the G3 or $229 for the G3 Plus. So the build of this phone is great. Next thing I want to talk about, the fingerprint scanner. Look, I want to just give you first impressions. It is pretty quick. Is this the fastest? Nope, but it's definitely... It works. It does its job. I haven't had any problems with that either. Overall, the speakers on here sound pretty good. I'm going to do more tests on that too. Stay tuned. I also have the gamer review coming up to the channel. I have to test it out. Make sure that this MediaTek processor can handle some heavy gaming on it. So stay tuned to the channel for that too. But overall, my first impressions, I'm enjoying the phone. Hopefully that doesn't change in a week or two and everything goes to crap. But definitely, I'm enjoying the phone so far. The next thing I want to touch on really quick, 64 gigs of storage. Straight out the box, I was using about 7 gigs. So that's pretty good. Right now, I have about 28 gigs of storage being used because of all the apps that I have on here. So that's not too bad. Battery life has been pretty decent also. But please let me know what other type of videos you want, what other type of videos you need to make your decision on this phone, and I will try to produce them for you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Hit that notification bell so that way you get notified when I drop more videos on this Nuu G3 Plus. Also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter at @ForzReviews. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.